In this question, we're told that the ratio of x squared to 3x plus 5 is equal to 1 to 2, and we need to find the possible values of x. We can write our ratio as a fraction, and so we can say that x squared over 3x plus 5 is equal to 1 over 2. Now to solve for x, we can start by cross-multiplying the fractions. And so when we cross-multiply, we'd get 2 multiplied by x squared is equal to 1 multiplied by 3x plus 5. And so we end up with 2x squared is equal to 3x plus 5. Well, now let's rearrange and write this as a quadratic equation equal to 0. And so we can do this by moving the 3x plus 5 over to the other side. And so we now end up with 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now to solve for x, let's factorise our quadratic equation. And so we end up with 2x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now when x plus 1 is equal to 0, we can rearrange for x and find that x is equal to minus 1. And when 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, we can rearrange for x and find that x is equal to 5 over 2. And so we've now found the two possible values of x. We said that x could be equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 5 over 2. This question is worth 4 marks. We get the first mark for writing the ratio as a fraction and for saying that x squared over 3x plus 5 is equal to 1 over 2. We get the second mark for cross-multiplying and rearranging to write this in the form of a quadratic equation equal to 0, and so we said that 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. We get the third mark for beginning to solve the quadratic equation, and we did this by factorising, and for saying that 2x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to 0. And our fourth and final mark is for using our factorised equation to find that x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 5 over 2, allowing us to get the full 4 marks needed in this question.